Let's learn how to use the stopwatch and how to record the reading of the stopwatch. Let's say I start over here by pressing this button, start button, and also it is the stop button. I press start, now it's recording the time, and let's say I stop it now. Okay, this is the reading that the stopwatch gives, but remember you have to record the reading to the nearest 0.1 seconds. So when you write down the reading, you have to write it as 11.4 seconds because your reaction time is about 0.1 seconds. Let's do another one. So also I can press this button to zero it. See, 0. Then again I start the stopwatch, and let's say we get something like this, 4.85 seconds. We have to write this as 4.9 seconds. When we write down on the paper, we have to write it as 4.9 seconds. Again we'll zero it. Let's take another reading. Alright, let's take another reading. Okay, what about this reading over here? 10.88. Okay, 10.88. That we have to record as 10.9 seconds because our reaction time is about 0.1 second. So even though the stopwatch gives the reading to the nearest hundredth of a second or 0.01 seconds, also called centiseconds, we have to record it to the nearest decisecond or 0.1 seconds. Again, press this to 0.